Nuit Blanche is an all-night art event where the city is enlivened with art. So from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. you can experience all sorts of different art installations. Just a fantastic way to appreciate the place where we live and see what exciting things are happening in Toronto right now.
Tonight is a great opportunity for the local community to learn about how Humber is really putting into practice the idea of campus as a canvas. This is a really exciting commitment that we have to public art. We want to have our students learn and grow in a space that celebrates public art.
These types of events which bring people together are always important, but they're probably more important now than ever. You know, we're on the back end of a really tough couple of years, and getting people out in the community and back together to see something like this is a really good way to do it.
Humber is becoming a really important player in the arts and culture for the city. We are making a really big investment at the Lakeshore Campus with a new cultural hub, and it's a way to bring the community and artists together, to work with our students, to work with our community partners, to really create this beautiful space for the appreciation of art.
Humber's Lakeshore Campus is a perfect location to host Nuit, our second time. We're so excited. There are literally thousands of people here enjoying the artwork of not only our students, but the international artists that are here.
I was part of the Nuit Blanche Fellowship, which is a great fellowship for people from different backgrounds to have a chance to create some installation art for Nuit Blanche. So exciting to see everybody here and enjoying the installation and the sense of play that it is inspiring. I see people playing with the projection and kind of oohing and awing, and that's always super special to hear.